Kiwano or thorn melon. This is an exotic and richly nutritious fruit from Africa. It is good for overall health and wellness. Here are some of the benefits of thorn melon. After cutting it into two, spoon the pulp directly from the rind and eat it. It's mild and slightly sweet, close to cucumber. When ripe, you may be able to detect a hint of banana flavor from far. Here are the benefits. 1. High in fiber, making digestion easier, preventing constipation and bloating. 2. Prevents serious medical conditions, like colon cancer and gastric ulcers. 3. Reduces appearance of wrinkles and spots. 4. Provides relief from stress and anxiety. 5. Promotes healthy red blood cell production. 6. Promotes blood sugar control. You can add the pulp to smoothies or use to top yogurt. Mix up your fruit game with thorn melon. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.